Everyone, my name is Atesh Kumar. I'm a student of basic level at Paragon Academy, Badin. So today's topic of my presentation is uses and abuses of time. So time is money, and intelligent and sober people are wasted time properly and positively, and the unnice and bad people are wasted time in negatively. We can use our time use studying and reading books and playing games, and this is the uses of time, and the abuses of time that we can use internet, use for Facebook for chatting, and see the television and computers. It is important for us that you can our time use for properly, positively, effectively, and usefully. Thanks.